Are you nonchalant? Uso ngayon, di ba? Yung chill, yung walang pakialam. Yung pag tinanong mo anong gusto. Anong gusto mo pare? Hindi ko alam eh. Nonchalant. Kung ganyan ka o may kilala kang ganyan, para sa ito. Kasi I would argue that at this day and age, ang kailangan natin, maging chalant. Oh, chalant. As in care. Kung pauwi na yung mahalaga sa'yo, ingat ka. Take care. Kung mahal mo sa buhay. Halimbawa, nanay o tatay mo na hindi mo sinasabihan usually. Oh, I love you, tatay. I love you, mama. Also, do things with purpose and intention. Be interested and in the process, become interesting. And most importantly, claim what you want without pretending that you don't want it. Sabi ng isang neuroscientist, meron daw built-in filter yung utak natin called the reticular activating system. Siya nag-filter ng opportunities, possibilities, and patterns that match what we focus on. Kung nonchalant ka, hindi mo kasi inaamin sa sarili mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo o nararamdaman mo. In the process, walang nabi-filter. Walang nakikitang pattern. Walang nakikitang direksyon. Pero kung chalant ka, malinaw yung gusto mo, inaamin mo sa sarili mo ano yung gusto mo. Hindi ka takot na abutin yung pangarap mo. And you don't shy away from saying that I want more for my life. So try it out. Be chalant. Your future depends on it.